Most of us wish we could slow down the effects of aging and sun damage on our skin and maybe even turn back the clock in the process. The Cosmetic Center at Sinai-Grace is offering a new technology that can help reverse visible signs of aging and help you look as young as you feel.
Fractional laser, it comes from the fact that it's fractional, where it's not a complete treatment, where the fractional laser is the ability to change the course of the treatment by doing partial treatment. And because of the partial treatment, the skin will heal faster. Typically, the laser we talk about is a CO2 laser. CO2 laser has been used for treating wrinkles and also improve the condition of the skin. But in the past, although the laser have done tremendous amount of result, but one of the downside is that it takes too long to heal. So because of that, it lost its popularity. Until recently, when the computer program become better, and we suddenly have an idea that if we partially treat the skin without treating it totally, there is area that is skipped where there's no treatment, and that area will essentially have no injury, so that area will heal from side to side as well as from the bottom of the skin to the top. So this way we shorten the recovery period. Because of that, we now can titrate the CO2. Now before we can only do one way, and now we can actually titrate them, so we can actually, instead of treating black and white, now we have a different shade of gray. Because of the fractional, now almost anybody can come in for the treatment. Some people don't really have a lot of wrinkles, but they just want to improve the texture of the skin. For this reason, the fractional is great, because we can only titrate them, we only treat a very light area. Or someone who has some acne scar, where it's not too bad, but there's some large pores, where we can treat that, and also we shorten up the recovery time. So those are the people we can treat. We have done pretty much patient with, like they call the weekend peel, where we did it on a Friday, and then they're fine. They're ready to go on Monday. And they're very happy. They see significant change to the skin. We've done a 1 week type of treatment. Some people call it the Madonna peel, where you just have treatment within 4 or 5 days, they completely heal. They actually have improvement of the texture of the skin. Or we actually treat someone with deep wrinkles, and that person takes about 10 days for the healing to occur, and then they have to wait for 2 or 3 more weeks for the redness to go away. So we actually have a wide range of treatment.
I've had a lot of sun damage over the years, and I wanted to talk to Dr. Chow about minimizing any brown spots that I have on my skin from pigmentation problems, and also I was interested in tightening my skin. The procedure itself, it took probably about a good hour. Dr. Chow does minimize the pain. You know, I did have a block, and that helped a lot. And then, of course, I did take pain medication prior to the procedure starting. After the treatment was done, my sister noticed right away that I had to have something done. I see her twice a year. I saw her shortly after, and she was amazed at the difference.